What happens when you're not allowed to castle in chess? Today, we're gonna figure that out. Okay, so no castling in this game. I wonder how that's going to go. Okay, I played c4, he played e5. I'm gonna play g3 here, just normal English opening. And of course, guys, you can see that my rating is kind of low here on chess.com, and that's just because I play more on Lichess. I'm gonna play knight c3 here, developing my pieces. Now here he's probably gonna go with bishop to b4 or bishop to c5. These are some normal squares for the bishop, and we'll see what he does. Okay, he plays b6, trying to develop his bishop to b7. Let's just play knight f3, developing our knight. And okay, bishop to b7. Okay, I almost wanted a castle here, but I remembered that we're not allowed in this game. Okay, let's go for d3 now. We can't play d4 because our bishop is going to hang here on g2. Okay, bishop to d6. This is a really weird square for the bishop to go to. Okay, let's go for bishop to g5. I'm not sure because he can play h6, you know. I wanted to take this, and after queen takes, just either knight to d5 or knight to e4. Now, I'm not quite sure which one is better here, but we'll have to decide. Okay, let's play knight to d5 here, attacking the queen. And after the queen moves, we're gonna play, I don't know, king to f1 or something. We're not allowed to castle, so I'm not quite sure how to do this. Let's play king to f1 now, trying to get our king to safety. But this bishop here is a bit annoying, you know, because we can't go to g2 now. Okay, he played knight to d4. Let's just take this knight. And now this bishop is kind of hanging. So we could play knight f6 check and picking up this bishop if we want it. Yeah, I think we're gonna do that. Just take here. Just go here. After he takes, we're gonna take the bishop. And then we can play our bishop to f3 back. And to go to g2 with our king. And we have a normal opposite colored bishop position. So, okay. It was not a problem, as you can see, that we couldn't castle. I think we're still fine here. We're gonna play h4 here. You know, just trying to take here, leave him with some bad pawns, and we'll see what he does. If he takes here, of course, we take it with the rook. This pawn is weak, this pawn is weak, everything is weak. Let's just take this guy here, and now I think we're already a bit better. We should be, he played bishop to e7, okay. Okay, now let's go for queen to d2. If he moves his queen anywhere, we can just take this guy for free on h6. So this should be fine here for us. Okay, queen to g6, of course, attacking our rook and still protecting the pawn. Okay, let's play bishop to h5, attacking the queen. And if the queen goes here to f5, I think I'm gonna play queen to f4. He still doesn't have time to take our rook because his queen is going to be hanging here. So let's see how that goes. Of course, queen to c6 check, we just have bishop to f3. Okay, he goes to g7. And now, I mean, we can move the rook here to g4, let's say. Yeah, I'll just do that, attacking the queen again. And yeah, I mean, he has bishop to g5, but I also have like f4, and this bishop is going to fall, probably because it's pinned to the queen. Alright, so queen to f6, the queen moves again. And now I can play rook to f4 and also attacking here on f7 with the bishop, but he has this intermediate move, queen to c6 check, and then he can defend this. Okay. Okay, let's still play rook to f4. He's obviously going to play this. Now rook to e4. Okay, this looked very risky because at first it seems like he can play f5 and just take a rook. But of course, the king is pinned. And now he played king to f8, and it seems like he's also doing the challenge of not castling. I'm just messing around, but of course the point is that he moves away from this pin and he wants to play f5, taking our rook. So we have to do something about it now. I'm just gonna play bishop to f3, threatening to just take this bishop, also attacking the queen at the same time, so he has to move his queen. Okay, he played f5 and he just blundered this. I can just take the bishop, attacking the queen at the same time. And what is he going to do here? Okay, he can move the queen, but okay, we're just gonna take another pawn here. and we're a bishop up now. We're gonna take the rook here, of course, and we're gonna play queen to f4, attacking the pawn. And okay, he played this. Let's play bishop to e4. He can't take because the queen is going to drop. We're also gonna take this pawn now and win easily with an extra bishop. Okay, let's play rook to h1. And okay, let's checkmate here. Even though this guy had a really low rating here, as you can see, this is not really important. The important part here is to understand where he went wrong, as I mentioned during the game. Now it's pretty funny how even my opponent didn't castle, you know, even though we were doing the challenge, he also didn't castle. So guys, if you like these videos, please watch more of them, and I'll see you guys in the next video.